Since the first day, the tool industry has undergone rapid evolution, driven by emerging technologies and innovative features. Consequently, leading brands continually strive to deliver outstanding products, catering to a diverse range of applications. So, here are some new tools announced from Milwaukee, Makita, Skil, Ryobi, and Klein. Starting with the new M12 brushless rotary tool from Milwaukee. This tool might come in a compact size, but it's actually a powerhouse for professional tradespeople. This tool offers unparalleled power, precision, and productivity on the job site, featuring a brushless motor and a robust steel collet design. It ensures extended life and class-leading durability. With the fastest application speed and 30% higher RPM under load, it delivers unmatched performance. The variable speed interface allows RPM adjustments from 27,500 to 5,000, providing versatility for cutting, grinding, sanding, and polishing applications. Weighing just 0.8 pounds and boasting an ergonomic contour grip, it ensures comfort and control during extended use, while the integrated LED light illuminates the workpiece. Additionally, it comes with an included 1/8-inch collet and an integrated collet wrench for quick accessory changes.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
Now, here's something cool for the electricians. The Milwaukee coax stripper stands out as a versatile and efficient tool equipped with a dual-sided cartridge designed to strip RG6, RG6Q, RG59, RG7, and RG11 cables, offering quick and adaptable stripping capabilities. With two fixed blades on either side of the cartridge, it provides an industry-standard two-level prep at 1/4 by 1/4 inch, ensuring precision in cable preparation. The spring-loaded design adds ease and consistency to the process of stripping outer jackets of coax cabling. Ideal for preparing cabling for connector termination, the Milwaukee coax stripper is a reliable choice for professionals seeking efficiency and versatility in cable stripping tasks. Meet your new job site entertainment system, the M18 Bluetooth job site radio. This radio redefines worksite audio with its dual 3.5-inch woofers and two high-range tweeters, delivering an unparalleled balanced sound experience. It boasts Bluetooth 5.0 technology and provides an extensive 120-foot range for seamless wireless connectivity. Equipped with AM/FM capabilities with 18 presets, customizable equalizer settings, and a robust design built for the job site, this radio ensures a tailored and durable audio solution. With up to 13 hours of runtime at max volume on an M18 XC 5.0 battery, it combines longevity with versatility, allowing power from any M18 battery or the included AC adapter. Meanwhile, the USB-C 3-amp device charging further enhances convenience, making the radio a reliable companion tailored for the demands of the job at hand. Makita also got some new tools for you. So, here comes the Makita DHW080Z high-pressure washer. This tool stands out with its powerful 5.5 megapascal regular pressure and convenient stepless pressure adjustment, ensuring optimal performance for a range of cleaning tasks. The high-low two-pressure selection adds versatility to the cleaning process. This pressure washer comes equipped with a storage case that doubles as a water tank, boasting a generous 50-liter capacity. With a self-priming function, it can draw water from a max suction height of 1 meter, and, alternatively, water can be supplied directly from a faucet. The standard equipment includes a trigger gun, high-pressure hose, suction hose, cleaner pin, storage box, variable nozzle, connector, and one-touch joint, providing a comprehensive and user-friendly package for efficient and adaptable high-pressure cleaning. Next, we have the Makita 40-volt half-inch mixer. It's a robust, cordless solution designed for heavy-duty operations like mixing concrete and mortar. With a dual-handled design featuring an ergonomic soft grip, it provides excellent control and comfort during use. The brushless motor, combined with variable speed control and a 2-speed gearing system, allows for precise matching of the tool's speed to the application requirements. The variable speed dial, ranging from 0 to 500 RPM in speed 1 and 0 to 920 RPM in speed 2, ensures versatility. Additionally, a soft start feature suppresses startup reactions for enhanced control and accuracy. The mixer incorporates a protective cover to prevent battery contamination from splashing back during mixing, and its extreme protection technology enhances durability with improved dust and water resistance, making it a reliable and efficient tool for demanding job site conditions. This is the Makita DTW700 Impact Wrench, a high-performance tool designed for optimal efficiency and user comfort. It's got more power than its older version, the DTW450, thanks to a faster rotation speed. With 3 automatic stop modes for both forward and reverse rotations, and a handy full-speed switch, it makes your job easier and less tiring. It's compact, only 170 millimeters long, so it's easy to handle. And the half-inch square drive makes changing sockets a breeze. The motor delivers a solid 700 Newton-meter of torque, and it's smart too, which means it runs efficiently and lasts longer. With 4 speed settings, bright LED lights, and a tough design with water resistance, this impact wrench is the reliable friend you want for all your tough tasks. Now, let's move on to the Skil power tools. Let's see what they have for us. This is the Skil Twist 2.0 rechargeable screwdriver, your go-to tool for quick and comfortable completion of small jobs and repairs. With an ergonomic design, this electric screwdriver boasts a patent-pending pivoting head that effortlessly locks into 3 positions: 0, 22.5, and 45 degrees, enhancing comfort in confined spaces. Offering 3 torque settings, it adapts seamlessly to various applications. The conveniently located trigger button ensures easy, one-finger operation, while the bright LED illuminates dark spaces, providing clarity during use. Cordless convenience is coupled with an integrated battery featuring a USB-C charging port, complete with an included cable, ensuring hassle-free recharging. Whether assembling furniture, tightening screws in tight corners, or handling household repairs, the Skil Twist 2.0 makes the task efficient, comfortable, and accessible with its versatile features and user-friendly design. Say goodbye to hoses and compressors with the cordless convenience of the Skil PowerCore 18-gauge brad nailer kit. Powered by the Skil Brushless 20-volt system, this nailer offers unparalleled flexibility and mobility. With an impressive runtime, it can drive up to 1,000 nails on a single charge when using the recommended 2-amp-hour battery. This not only enhances efficiency, but also eliminates the need for frequent interruptions to recharge. The cordless design allows for greater maneuverability, making it ideal for various applications. Whether you're working on carpentry projects, trim work, or other woodworking tasks, this 18-gauge brad nailer kit provides the freedom to tackle your projects with precision and ease, all without the constraints of cords, hoses, or compressors. Introducing the Ryobi R14K USB Lithium High-Pressure Inflator Kit, a versatile solution for a variety of inflation needs. Ideal for bicycle tires, vehicle tires, and sports balls, this inflator ensures your day keeps rolling smoothly. The digital pressure gauge offers easy measurement readings and precise filling, while the onboard LED work light illuminates your application in any environment. With onboard storage, you can conveniently bring along the included accessories and a 6-inch hose for on-the-go inflation. The LED indicator signals battery status, turning green when fully charged and red when low during use. As part of the USB lithium system, this inflator provides a compact, portable, and rechargeable solution for cordless power and productivity, giving you the freedom to tackle inflation tasks with ease and efficiency. The Ryobi Link rolling storage system revolutionizes organization, access, and transportation for every aspect of your life. Featuring a unified locking technology, this modular storage system offers unparalleled customization, seamlessly adapting from the workshop to the workplace. The mobile storage solutions maximize portability with impact-resistant materials, ensuring durability in challenging environments. Whether you're on the go or optimizing your space, the Ryobi Link system delivers superior versatility. Wall storage is made easy with the customizable wall rails, designed for effortless installation and expandability. With a range of hooks, shelves, and bins, you can tailor any space to your specific needs. The system's cohesive locking mechanism allows for seamless connection between mobile and stationary storage, creating an efficient and organized solution for your storage needs from the home to the job site. Now, let's wrap up today's list with the Klein ET140 Moisture Meter, your all-new reliable tool for detecting and measuring relative moisture in various building materials. Utilizing pinless moisture meter technology, it efficiently detects moisture from leaks or flooding, providing non-destructive detection through an electromagnetic field. With a mode button, it allows the selection for different materials, such as drywall, masonry, hardwood, and softwood, specifically calibrated for accurate readings. Capable of detecting relative moisture content up to 3/4 inch deep, This meter ensures comprehensive assessment. The bright reverse contrast display with 9 LED bars indicates the relative moisture range for easy viewing, complemented by features like hold, low battery, and auto power off functions. Designed for durability, it can withstand a 6.6-foot drop, making the moisture meter a versatile and robust solution for professionals in construction and water damage restoration. Okay, these were all the new tools announced from Milwaukee, Makita, Skil, Ryobi, and Klein. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.